Next question. What is the minimum grade needed to pass a specific learning area? Right answer is letter A, 60. Bakit 60? Ito ang explanation. The minimum grade needed to pass a specific learning area is 60. That's according to DO number 80, which is transmuted to 75 in the report card. Diba? Eh, sa computation natin, doon sa class record, kapag 60 siya, pasar siya, pero kung i-transmute pa siya sa 75 kasi parang yung 60, historically, sa history natin sa Pilipinas, pag 60 talaga, bagsak na siya. Kaya kailangan siya i-transmute to 75 para parang sugar coating na siya. Hindi naman na masyadong nakakadismaya. The lowest mark that can appear on the report card is 60, ha? For quarterly grades and final grades. Tricky, di ba? Kaya kailangan na ito. Nakasaad talaga ito sa DepEd Order number 8 Series 2015. Titingnan natin, the minimum grade needed to pass a specific learning area is 60, which is transmuted to 75 in the report card. The lowest mark that can appear on the report card is 60. Pero ito na 60, ibig sabihin, mas mababa pa yan. Diba? Mas mababa pa yan doon sa actual result. Okay? Siguro mga 50 yan. 53 or yun yung sa transmutation table. For these guidelines, the department will use a floor grade considered as the lowest possible grade that will appear in the learner's report card. So what the floor grade is 60. Floor grade is 60 in the report card. Pero hindi siya 60 to 74 ay bagsak or did not meet expectations. Expectation.